These statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I am a noble person. I love all. I do good to the people. I love helping people. I like me a lot. I love myself a lot. I try to groom myself every day. Won't win me over. I want to win. I don't want to be better than anyone. I just want to be better than myself. I enjoy learning something new every day. I love learning. I love my family and friends very much. I can do anything for them. I believe in me. I am a successful person myself. I know my future is bright, and that's why my present is so important. I have good communication with my family members. I am very smart and I appreciate my words. People are attracted to me by the way I talk. I am a respected citizen of my country, and I always will be. I like to serve the country in any way. My family is very happy with me. He loves me. I am his darling. I am an optimistic person. I want people to live life, and I help them to move towards their goal. I can't see people's pain. I like to help. Being happy is very important. I want to be happy. I don't have any pain. I rejoice in the happiness of my friends. I am inspired. I am a good person. There is no evil in me. I respect everyone. Everyone respects me. I do good to the people. It is not my behavior to hurt people. That's why everything goes well with me. No one bothers me. God makes me happy too, and happiness is raining on me. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your channel for more colorful and peaceful affirmations. Have a good and safe life.